So yeah, hello all. So today we will be discussing about our metal index and the major stocks of Nifty Metal Index. As we know, it's rising from this after the pandemic, and I just read an article. Actually, it's just interview of CEO of Tata Steel. He said that the steel demand and its price it will increase and because of government policies and the rural infrastructure projects are also increasing and yeah, people are start buying from India. Also China is not their good partner, because we all know that what we are going through because of China, or other things are also there, the political things are there. So let's have a look into the sector according to this so yeah, according to RBI. This is not the right PDF. Yeah, PDF, I think. No problem. Just skip it. Yeah. So this we have four companies which we're gonna compare in this sector. The first one is Jsw Steel. This is the biggest market capital company of steel industry. 94,000 crore of market capitalization. Its price, according to its book value, is 2.5x, and its ROI is this. You can see, and ROE is highest. The return on equity is the highest in the sector. The promoter holding is 44%, but pledge as a promoter pledged their shares 26.2%. Actually, I personally don't like when promoter need to pledge their shares to get some capital into company, maybe for their personal use or anything, we don't know yet. But pledging is not a good thing to represent your company. But yeah, personally it's good because it's come with a lower interest rate, and yeah, not good thing. So profit after tax of last 12 months is around 265 crores. Actually, it's not very good when you compare to the market capitalization. It's very low. So profit after tax of previous quarter was this second highest, and free cash flow you can see here. Okay, so the biggest free cash flow we see from this Tata Steel. Biggest free cash flow and biggest cash from operations came with the here from Tata Steel, and this is really good in the time of pandemic. And these things actually, when you have cash in your hand, you can do lots of things as per the market opportunities. And shares are also leased in the sector. Actually, Steel Authority of India is a government undertaking company, so they don't need to pledge anything. They have zero pledging and the highest promoter holding. And this is the cheapest company also when we compare the current market price and their book value. It's the cheapest one, and ROC and ROE is also good. So yeah, it's impressive. Its profits are also highest, and profit after tax is a little bit less, but when you compare to this, obviously it's like well less for this. So yeah, we see free cash flow they have, but their cash flow from operations are in negative. So a little worry about this, but all the things are good. And we have a small company also, that is Jindal Steels, market capitalization of 3,700 crores. Their price is also good, and ROC is the highest capital. They're giving a return of on capital highest in the industry. In this comparison, though, obviously I think it should be for, yeah. So fair tax is good. Free cash flow, actually when you compare this free cash flow with the market capitalization, they have the highest one. Okay, and from cash flow from this operation activities, if you compare These cash flow with this market capitalization, Jindal Steel wins the competition. And when we talk about cheap company and a sustainable company, Steel win the competition. When we talk about the market leaders, they means the one who hold the market. I think that's Tata Steel. So yeah, let's look into some more slides. So as we all know that you can earn revenue only when you sell, when you buy your material at low cost and sell at high cost. As you know, prices are increasing and demand is also increasing. The highest inventory should be there into their books, so they can sell it at a high price and earn more profits. So into this we're going to compare the inventories. Okay, so this is Tata Steel balance sheet, and they have a balance sheet of 1,50,000 crores, and this is the highest balance sheet, means this is the biggest balance sheet into the industry. And they have inventory of 10,700 crores. So yeah, JSW Steels, they are the second biggest of this industry. 1,22,000 crores rupees they have in balance sheet, and the inventories are 9,600 crores. And third number, oh, it's not third, it's actually in second number. Their balance sheet is 1,25,000 crores, and inventory is 23,000 crores. So sale is the biggest company, and they have the highest inventory. In term of inventory, sale is the winner. They have 23,000 crore rupees of inventory. So yeah, if they have this inventory at low price and they will sell it at current market price, means which is always obviously higher, they will gonna earn more profit. So yeah, this is Jindal Steel, and Jindal Steel has a 58,000 crore of balance sheet, and that is 3,800 crores of inventory. So yeah, when we compare this with other companies, Jindal Steel is good. Okay. So let's compare it with the metal index. This one is your metal index from March low. It's at 109 percentage of recovery. Means it already crossed its previous high. Okay, so this one, which is at the highest, highest this growth. This one is sale. That is your Steel Authority of India, and second one is Jindal Steel. I think yeah, it's Jindal Steel, and third one which is growing is JSW Steels, and fourth one is your Tata Steel. Okay, so now you know that after the March crash, means after the pandemic, the panic crash, all these companies are above the benchmark, which is Nifty Metal, and they are performing really well. And you understand that which company is performing better than which company. Okay, so yeah, let's look into their separate charts. And this is Jindal Steel chart. 1 week candle. 1 week means one candle represent 1 week of price action. Okay, so yeah, actually into this chart, strength of the stock is decreasing a bit, and the price is increasing, volumes are decreasing, so it can correct till here, I think, because whenever this happen, stock correct a bit, or you can enter into the stock with lower quantity. Stop loss can be this. And disclaimer, I'm not suggesting you anything, I'm not saying you to buy anything, it's just for education purposes. Okay, I'm doing my study, I'm sharing with you so that you can do this kind of sectoral study at your means whenever you like or whatever you like to do. So yeah, this was in the steel, and second one is JSW Steels. JSW Steel is running very good. Actually, there's no entry price. It's already very high from the entry price. Volumes are decreasing because people have to book their profit somewhere at least. It's rising. So yeah, but strength is there. So it can make a dip here, or it can break out it or take a dip here. You can enter means we can enter with a good good level of price. At least we need a small kind of entry and exit point. This is Tata Steel. Tata Steel is one of my favorite chart, and yeah, it's showing strength very well, and but volume here is also decreasing. We have to look closely for next uh, 1 or 2 week how the volume increase and how it react. Then we will see. Okay, so it's very near to its all-time high. Actually, its all-time high was in 2008. I will show you the bigger picture of this. So yeah, I think what's this before this? Okay, this is sale chart, Steel Authority of India. It just break out this week. Okay, stop loss is big. We cannot enter at this point, but chart is really good. It just start moving. It has a big history, and volumes are, you can see volumes are increasing, means people are just start participating into it. It has we can take entry after a little dip here or here. I don't know. His strength is there, so yeah, it's good. It's time to look into the bigger picture. Okay, after 2008, Tata Steel stuck in a range. Okay, people say that metal stock do not perform well because they are cyclical in nature. Commodity price increase and decrease according to the cycles. Okay, so the steel is also a commodity, but after the crash of uh, this IT boom crash, Tata Steel performed really very well. See, you can see this rally. I think this was the IT boom crash, and this was the huge rally Tata Steel gives. Okay, and into this bullish market after 2008, it able to sustain, but stuck in a range for this long years. And now if it able to break out this level and take a retest, and then if it gave a follow up on bullish side, then yes, sure, we should enter into this. Means I should enter into this, and it can give very good returns into coming years. So but yeah, it can also see a heavy sailing into this side and then return into pavilion. This can happen also, but we will have a stop loss if it sustain here. Okay, the interesting thing is these kind of volume, you can see this volume and this volume, this kind of volume came into this 2002-3 time or coming into this time. So yeah, it's a we should consider this also, and the highest average volume is also highest into 2020. And so yeah, someone is really buying it heavily, or maybe participation of market is increased. We don't know, but we know one thing, that things are actually getting better into metal industry. So yeah, you should look into other stocks also, into their balance sheet a little bit, understand them, and then you can enter into them. It was just a quick check on the industry specific. I think you learned a little bit, and yeah, it was a good time. It's a short video, so very good luck, guys, and very good night. Bye.